Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. And in this case I also have to say, if you're watching this on the Wrapunzel YouTube channel, then of course welcome to the Wrapunzel YouTube channel, because this video is going live on their channel and also on my channel. Okay, sweeties, I am Leorah. I have worked with Wrapunzel years ago. We had a big collaboration going on. I came up with different kits every couple of months, and maybe some of you remember, if you're watching this on my channel, there is a playlist with all my wrapping tutorials, and of course you will find them also on the Wrapunzel YouTube channel. Okay, sweeties, but this is a very special video, because actually a couple of months ago, this is what I've been keeping from you, Wrapunzel reached out to me and said, do you want to do another one-time collab? Just, you know, just like that. And I was like, yeah, why not? You know, and I'm actually very nervous about this because I have not done any wrapping related content in a long time. And maybe also, if you remember, I used to do super elaborate things with super big shapers, and I kind of changed my style a little bit, you know, because my life has changed, my style has changed, my preferences have changed, and I think that's awesome because it just lets me discover a whole new side of myself. And I just want to use that also as an encouragement for those of you who wanted to do all of these wraps and it just didn't work for you, or you felt like, I just can't do it, I cannot feel what she's doing, whatever. It is all fine, because the way we wrap and the way we develop and all of that is completely fine. And I, for a certain amount of time, I felt like I'm starting to let people down because I'm not doing those crazy wraps anymore. But then I thought, no, this is part of my life, of my journey, and you know, this video and this launch of this amazing new kit is part of my journey, and it's just part of development that is going on in everyone's lives, right? Okay, sweeties, that is what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce this amazing new kit that Wrapunzel and I came up with, and for me this is the perfect fall-time kit. So if it is not fall-time in your part of the world, then maybe you can just imagine fall. Okay, so I also have to kind of apologize, maybe you hear construction going on like in the background. It is right next to our house, there is nothing I can do. Okay, I hope the microphone doesn't pick it up too much. Okay, sweeties, now for the beautiful scarves that I have chosen, and again, thank you so much Wrapunzel for working with me, because that was an awesome experience. I am going to show you, because these are just two of them. I am wearing the Wendy shaper, which is also from Wrapunzel, and this one here, sweeties, is very understuffed. This has basically half of the stuffing that that the Wrapunzel shaper comes with. This is how things have changed in my life. All right, so Wrapunzel is still, of course, super amazing when it comes to the shapers. The Wendy shaper is still my most favorite shaper. Overstuffed, understuffed, medium stuffed, whatever, it is just an amazing shaper because of the way it sits, because of the way it is, well, because of the way it is shaped. And I used to wear it like high up. I'm wearing it further down now. So that's just, you know, how I prefer it now. Really doesn't matter. Okay, my amazing kit. Thank you Wrapunzel. My amazing kit has 4 scarves. I had the option of having less scarves and adding an accessory, but also that is not my preference anymore. So I asked them, could I just switch out the accessory, some kind of pin or some kind of headband or something like this, for another extra scarf, because I think for my personal life and for my preferences that is more suitable. Okay, so they said yes, and that's amazing. And so I came up with these 4 scarves. All of these scarves are limited edition, because this kit is limited edition, and it is also, they are all exclusive to this kit, which means that they are not available in any other place or individually on the Wrapunzel website. Okay, sweeties, let us go in with the first one, because for me this was the basis. This is a little bit like a petal soft, because it has a bit of a texture, maybe you can see it, and it has a bit of a golden sparkle, but very gentle. It just has like tiny little fringes, like baby fringes. So this is super beginner friendly. These kinds of scarves, they do have a grip a little bit, they don't slide, and they're just super easy to wrap, and because they don't have fringes, it's just easy. Okay, so you're gonna be blown away by this one. And I use this one as the basis of all of the other scarves, because all of the other scarves you can wrap together with this one. Okay, so that's what was kind of my idea, that you get the most out of it, because you can of course mix all of them together, but you also have of course 3 other scarves that you can mix with this one. So you can come up with so many combinations, which is just really, really cool and practical. Okay, so this is basically the first one. Let's just put that here. Okay, then the next one is, this is such a love child of mine. So this is that scarf. Also, this one of course has this burnt orange in it, and the sides are, as you can see, there is like a red stripe with flowers. Then it has of course those stripes with the burnt orange. You do have tassels in the corners, and then you have this whole blue section. And then again, of course, this whole pattern repeated. So this is a very, very large scarf, rectangular, okay? But this is the second scarf, and also this is just, it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely fun and beautiful. So stunning. And even if you just wrap this just on its own, it is already like super stunning, because of course the way it falls will be a little bit different each time, and of course if you're using different wraps, it will always look different, which is kind of really, really cool, you know, especially if you don't have a lot of time. The third scarf is this one. Let me just open this up for you. This is I kind of feel like this is the most sophisticated scarf of them all, and of course here you can also see you can again combine it beautifully with this one and with my basic scarf, basically. Okay, so here you do have these amazing patterns on those stripes. It is not a very, very wide scarf, so if you are preferring to, for example, wear just a headband instead of a shaper underneath, then this could be super, super nice, because this is super, super lightweight, and it doesn't have a lot of volume because of the way it is made, which is amazing, because you can, like that, add it super, super nice to other scarves without adding problems, you know, or a lot of weight or a lot of like difficulty in the skill level. But you can also easily wear it just on a headband, or just like that on a shaper, you know, just like that. Okay, of course you're going to see all of this wrapped as the video goes on, so I hope you have the patience for that. I just want to also of course introduce this last scarf to you, which is, for me, this is, especially in combination then with this one, this is fall, the essence of fall. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has this beautiful, what is it called? It is a like a red wine, kind of a Bordeaux color, burgundy, I really don't know. For someone who's dealing with a lot of color, I just really have a problem naming them. Okay, but you see the beautiful color scheme, and of course the beautiful pattern. It is a little bit bigger than the previous one in the width, but it is also of course rectangular, and it does have tassels. Well, is it really, is it fringes, is it tassels? It does not have real fringes, you know, it has like several tassels. I think I call this tassels. Okay, sweeties, all of these, should also add that here because this is also here. Okay, sweeties, all of these are just beautiful together, and here of course this color scheme, it is just so fall time and I'm loving it. Okay, so let's just put all of them on, and then I'm going to show you, as the video goes on, different combinations of this beautiful kit. Okay, so this is my first look. Super, super easy. Just putting all of them down. Basically, you saw me, of course, putting down that basic scarf first and then the other three on top. I just crossed over in the back, brought it up again here, tied them all together in a knot, and just swung them over and tucked them in anywhere. You know, that's basically all it is. And I'm just loving it. It is wild. It is cool. It is amazing. It's extreme. And at the same time, you can tone it down to as much as you want to. And that is so, so cool. So this is my first look. And of course, keep watching for more. Okay, my lovelies, so this was basically my final look, at least for this video, with my new kit. It retails for $63. Sweeties, I highly recommend it to you. This is so versatile. And what I also kind of wanted to point out, because I went through this myself, sweeties, that, you know, I kind of always felt like I needed to match stuff, and it always needs to like pick up the colors that are in my clothes and all of that. And with all of that, with the different looks that I showed you in this video, also in, you know, in connection to what I was wearing, and the makeup might not be so important to you, but, you know, this is also part of my styling. So I kind of wanted to show you that, yes, you can put everything together and it will look good. It does not need to match in the traditional sense, because it looks good. You know, I just wanted to kind of show you with this that the limitations that we think we have, they're just in our heads. You know, we can literally, with our crowns that we are wearing, we can do whatever we want, because this is such an amazing playground for our creativity, and that's such a gift, and it looks so beautiful at the same time. So basically for this look, I used all the scarves excluding this one, which I of course used in other looks, and that is the look that came out, and I think it is just spectacular and I'm loving it. Okay, sweeties, this kit is of course in collaboration with Wrapunzel. It is exclusive and it is limited edition. It retails for $63. Of course, you will get it on the website of Wrapunzel. I'm going to of course have that website linked in the description box down below, and I hope you'll check it out, because I think you're going to super enjoy it. For me, this is full time, but of course, if it is not for you, then just enjoy it for what it is, because it is just simply stunning. And I'm so glad that Wrapunzel reached out and wanted to work with me for this kit, because I'm just super enjoying it. I should also quickly point out that for all of the looks that I've showed you today, I used my understuffed Wendy shaper. Of course, you can use any other shaper. You will find different sizes and different kinds, of course, also on the Wrapunzel website. Let me of course know in the comments what you think, and if you're gonna pick it up, just feel free to share what you think, and if you're going to plan to recreate some looks. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited. I hope you're too. I'm sending you all my love. I hope you'll enjoy, and hugs and kisses. See you next time. Bye.